Hi there friends, it's time for us to review the November Treasury bags from the Potomacbeads. So as you can see, we have a long nose pliers, and this month it's Twilight Bloom, and all of these materials come in these bags. So we have some Potomac stretch string, and this is the 8mm. We have some face beads, 18mm. We have Miyuki seed beads and Duracoat galvanized, size 8/0. We have these check teardrops, two flat butterflies. We have this hook and eye clasp. There's two in these bags. We also have some gemstone oboes in their color Jet. We have some daggers. We have two antique brass plated hammer ring, and these are 20mm. And I believe in a previous box there's another two. They're not hammer, but they're still 20mm. I'm going to see if I can make a tutorial with these four now that I have. We have these ladybugs, black. We have two nuggets. We have 5 cap buttons in topaz color. I made a bracelet and I used one of these caps, and it looks really pretty. We have some Potomac pearls, and these are 3mm. We have these bicons. We also have some Potomac crystals, and these are 4mm. Some more check beads. We have some twist beads. I've never seen these beads before. They're really pretty and the color is beautiful. And finally, we have these purple hearts. As you can see, there is a lot of things in here to come up with beautiful projects. So please don't forget to visit the Potomacbeads, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Until next time, thank you.